Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, as you already know, I'll be teaching you a strategy that will make you money in this forex industry. The strategy is all about day trading, and the only time frame we'll be using for this strategy is just the 1 hour time frame, no other time frame. So, but there are society things we need to know before we jump into the actual strategy itself. Let's take a look at it. So you can see I have 4 things that you need to look out for before you take this strategy or take the trade. Number one, you have change of character slash change of market structure. Number two, have support and resistance. Number three, we have close above candlestick. While number four, we have close above 20 or 50 moving average. Number one, if you don't understand if you are new to this game and you don't understand what I mean by change of trend and change of market structure, let me give you an example. Take a look at this. If you have a trending market, for instance, you keep having a higher high and a higher low like this. You have a high and you have a low, and you have a high that is high above the first high, and you have a new low and a new high. So once the price break this previous low that we have in the market structure, once the price break below that price, that's what we know as change of trend or change of market structure or change of character, anything you call it. So by now you understand what I mean by change of market structure. Let's take a look at the other one, which is support and resistance. You already know what support and resistance is. Support is a place by which the price moved higher, and resistance is a place by which price fall. But here we have close above candle. What do I mean by close above candle? Close above candle is a situation whereby a candle close above the previous candlestick. And number four, we have close above 50 and 20 moving average. By the time I will show you this strategy, I will make you understand what I mean by close above 20 and 50 moving average. Let's take a look at the strategy itself. On my chart now, you will notice one thing, that on this 1 hour time frame, price is on a downtrend. Take a look at it. If I zoom the market now, you will notice that this price is on a downward trend, and you keep seeing a new low on the market. So if you take a look at this thing, you will notice once this low was reached, price could not make another low. Then the market pull up from this low and break this place, this last high of the lower high. The price break this place and went above it and close above it. That's what I mean by close above the moving average I was telling you about. The price closed above this resistance level, and it closed above this 20 and the 50 moving average. This red line is the 50 moving average, while this blue line is the 20 moving average. Price closed above it. Now the strategy itself, once the price close above this moving average and the market changes direction by breaking above this high, you wait for price to retest either the support, which is this place, the support, which is this place, or the moving average. Once the price retests that support in an uptrend, you place your buy, trade, or you go long on what I said, the close above candlestick. Look at what I mean by close above candlestick. You first of all you notice that this is a hammer candlestick, which is bullish signal, but I don't like to go on a trade just with one candlestick signal. I like it close above candlestick signal. You notice that after this hammer stick, there was an E decision candlestick, followed by a bullish engulfing candle, which is what I mean by close above candlestick. So once you just see that close above candlestick, you pick your position size and you go into the trade. You place your stop loss below the week and you go for one to two risk to reward. And you can see this trade is a winning trade. Let's take a look at another example. Take a look at this one. As you can see, the market was making a lower low. As you can see, it was making a new low, a new high, a new low, a new high, a new low. But as you get to this point, the market break above this high, this particular high here. It break above that high, and once the price break above that high, the market close above this 20 and the 50 moving average. What what do you see? The price went back and retest this area, this support, this support line. It retest this support line, and as you can see, it at the same time it was retesting this support line. It was forming what we know as head and shoulder inverse or inverted. And once after then you see a hammer candlestick followed by a close above candlestick. So what will you do once you see this opportunity? You pick a position size. After this close above candlestick, you place it there, you buy trade, stop loss as you can below the wick, and you go for your 1 to 2 risk to reward. Look at it. You go from 1 to 2 risk to reward. As you can see, this is a winning trade also. Let's take a look at a bearish version of this strategy. You notice that after this trade, you notice that price was just going higher. Price was making new high and a new low. But you notice one thing. After previous this previous high, price could not make a new high, and the price reversed from this point. And you notice that after that place, the price break below this new low, this recent low. It break below it. After the price break below this new low, what do you see? Price went back and retest this support that turn resistance. And after price retested it, what do you see? You see an engulfing candlestick right here. An engulfing candlestick. You take your position size, you take a sell trade at this point, stop loss below the week, and you go for your to one to two weeks to reward. You go for your 1 to 2 weeks to reward. But as you can see, unfortunately, this trade would have been stop out for a breakover. So guys, this strategy is very profitable strategy. You only need one time frame to trade this strategy. And only thing you need to know is just change of the structure, change of market structure, support and resistance, close above candlestick, and close above close of price above the 20 and the 50 moving average. Guys, that is all I have for you today. Just rewatch this video and you understand what I'm trying to say. Please guys, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next time on the next one.